Whoa! It's a wonderful day. It's not too crazy. I think it's such a grass. I think it's grass. I'm here now. Canada's South Greece. I'm here now. I just decided to say. And then the Monster Inc. 2002 UK DVD. Don't watch it, Derek. I just heard how you took out the song to kind of start. You said there's an audience today. I just start just saying the start of them. Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay, Barney. I just let's see. It's THX logo. What the hell is the THX logo? What the fuck? What the fuck is that? The fucking THX? What the? It's silly. That's funny. It's put it in. You put it in. Barney, you gotta relax. Okay. I don't know what you say. It's just alright. Oh, it's just a sorry. Okay, the Monster Inc. Okay, now it's solid. Okay, now it's a says. Oh, come on. Shut up, Barney. What the hell? What's the problem? Oh, nothing happened, Barney. Wow! I just seriously said it out. Don't fix it. Double it in. Double it in. Double it in. No. Oh my God! No. Oh no. Stop. Stop it. Oh no. Ah! Told you.